In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a dark mode look in the Shopify admin using simple workarounds. First, a quick reality check. Shopify currently doesn't offer a built-in dark mode for the admin, also known as the backend. That means if your eyes are begging for a darker interface during late-night work sessions, you'll need to rely on a couple of proven alternatives. The good news is they're easy to set up and you can switch them on or off anytime. The simplest route is to use a browser extension. A popular choice is Dark Reader, and it's available for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Head to your browser's extension or add-on store, search for Dark Reader, install it, and then enable it while you're on your Shopify admin. Dark Reader lets you fine-tune settings like brightness, contrast, and grayscale, so you can dial in a look that remains readable and comfortable. If something looks off on a particular page, you can quickly toggle it off for that site or create exceptions for specific sections. There's also a Shopify Dark Mode extension in the Chrome Web Store if you prefer a Shopify-specific option. Keep in mind that these tools essentially restyle the page on the fly, so you may occasionally see odd colors or low-contrast elements. When that happens, try adjusting the extension settings or temporarily disabling it for that page. If you're comfortable with CSS and want more control, you can inject your own dark styles using a user style extension like Stylus or User CSS. After installing one of those, create a style that targets your Shopify admin domain, then add your dark color variables and overrides. This approach gives you precision, but it also requires patience because the admin interface is dynamic and uses many components. Expect to iterate. Test your styles across different areas, such as orders, products, and settings, and refine selectors as needed. If something becomes unreadable, comment out the rule or revert quickly using the extension's disable switch. Finally, if what you're really after is dark mode for your storefront rather than the admin, you can explore theme-level apps. Options like Darkify, Dark Mode Toggle or Night Theme, Dark Mode Switch add a customer-facing toggle and handle most of the styling for you. Install the app, follow its setup guide, and preview the result on your theme before publishing to ensure your brand colors, images, and icons still look great. That's it. Choose the extension route for speed or custom CSS for fine control, and use a theme app if your goal is a dark storefront.